Welcome! Today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into a Honor 20E. First of all, open your phone application. Then in the top right corner we got 3 dots, so click it and choose blocked. Then in the top right corner we got settings button. And here we got blacklist option. And now you choose these 2 numbers, for example, for unblocking. Press and select, and then in the bottom we got remove button, so click it, remove one more time, confirm, and that's it. Now we removed this number. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.